Hello dear traders, I'm Anna Kasatkina and you're watching the weekly financial review on InstaTV. The US stocks closed with losses last week in the wake of uncertainty tied to Greece debt problems. On Friday, the market was closed due to the US Independence Day. Thursday's trading was muted amid low volumes. The Nasdaq Composite lost 3.91 points over the last session, closing at the level of 5,009.21 with a 1.4% weekly loss. The Dow Jones Industrial Average dropped by 27.80 points to 17,730.11. Over the week, the benchmark index recorded a 1.2% loss. The S&P 500 ended 1 point lower at 2,076.27. The weekly decline of the index was 1.2%. Negative trends were observed in 6 out of 10 sectors. On Thursday, investors digested reports from the U.S. labor market. In June, the American economy added 223,000 new jobs. The actual reading turned out to be softer than expected. In addition, May and April numbers were revised downwards. The unemployment rate fell to 5.3%, but mostly due to a shrink in the labor force. Separately, weekly jobless claims climbed by 10,000 to 281,000. Analysts noted that these reports were strong enough for the Federal Reserve to raise interest rates in September. On the other hand, a lack of wage growth could give policymakers an excuse to wait until December. Now investors are focused on corporate report season for the second quarter. Their sentiments may be affected negatively by political instability in Europe caused by the Greek debt drama. European stocks were slightly lower amid the current political situation. In Asia, Chinese shares continued their slide, leaving the Shanghai Composite down 3.4%. Among the Dow Jones components, the best gainers were shares in Intel Corporation. The securities appreciated by 0.38 points or 1.24% to close at $30.56. Shares of the chip giant tumbled by 11.7% in June, driven by a number of analyst downgrades, the announcement of the largest acquisition in the company's history, and continued weakness in the PC market. The deepest decline among the S&P 500 components was recorded by Western Union Company, which shares lost in price 6.87%, falling to $18.99. The company's shares were depressed by 7.86% during the past week and dropped by 12.73% in the last 4 weeks. Western Union Company has underperformed the S&P 500 index by 12.06% in a 4-week period. And this was the weekly review of financial markets prepared for you by InstaTV team. See you next week. Bye.